I just with water.
Water.
With water.
Water.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Baby.
Baby. I love you, my loves. Oink. 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 I love you.
Mommy, come here. Come here.
Ay, kiss me, kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Cute-cute naman ang baby ko na yan. Ang cute-cute naman ang baby ko na to. Say hi. Happy.
Happy. Sad.
Bawal sad, happy lang.
Sad.
Happy only.
Happy.
Happy. Show your teeth smile.
Sad.
Bawal sad.
Sad.
What's next?
Happy. Sad.
Ang kulit na mukha mo, be.
Happy. Sad.
So cute, my love.
Happy. Sad. Sad.
Kaloka-loka na anak ko. Kaloka-loka ni anak ko na yan. Kaloka-loka na anak ko. Bye-bye. Oh, hug. Mama, hug. To hug mama, you hug. Hug mama, hug. Kiss na ako, kiss. Can you kiss mama, please? Can you please kiss mama? Aray. Can you please kiss mama? Kiss ako, baby. Oh, ayaw ako i-kiss baby ko. Aray, nangurot na nga.
Ayapo, ma. Ayapo. Ayapo, ma.
I love you. I love you too, baby. Say I love you to Ate. I love you, Ate Shermel. Where's Ate Shermel? Where's Ate Shermel? Huh? You want to see Ate Shermel? Do you want to see Ate Shermel? Hey, Mama's asking, do you want to see Ate Shermel? Oh, why are you not talking?
No.
Oh, why you don't want to see Ate?
Mommy.
Why you don't want to see Ate? Ate, God bless you. Say I love you, Ate Shermel. Say I love you, Ate Shermel.
Ma.
Aray ko. Say I love you muna kay Ate Shermel. Wala, nag-cry-cry si Ate Shermel. May pasalubong sa'yo si Ate Shermel, di ba, na isang araw? Oh. Sige na, say I love you.
No, bye-bye.
Say I love you muna to, ate. Sige na. Aray ko nangungutot, sakit eh. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Mommy. Mommy.
Peekaboo.
Mommy, me and cellphone.
Ha?
Me and cellphone.
Ano gagawin sa cellphone?
Me on.
Ano? Say I love you muna to, Ate Shermel. And kiss bye-bye. Say I love you muna kay Ate Shermel. Peekaboo.
Mommy. Peekaboo, mommy.
Peekaboo.
Mommy.
Peekaboo.
Mommy.
Pika.
Four. Four.
Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Ate Shermel. I love you. Bye-bye, Ate Shermel. I love you. Shermel. Say Shermel. Say Shermel. Oh, I love you, Ate Shermel. I love you, Ate Shermel. Say I love you, Ate. Lo. Lo, oh, tumod na naman ang anak ko. Anay?
Look, Mama.
Huh?
It's a passion, Mommy.
Apa, you say I love you muna to, ate. Ay, tatampo natin, hindi ka nabibigyan ng ano, pasalubong. Tamad, wala sa mood.